Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am Tess and you're watching Taste and Sit by Tesha. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And right now, I'm gonna go to Mega Mall to pick up a parcel that I've got from Lazada. And yes guys, meron silang pick up option just in case na wala ka sa bahay nyo or busy ka, walang magpipick up or mapag-iiwanan. So, I choose that one kasi usually I'm really busy pag umaga, and yun na nga guys, buti na lang may ganong option. So it's my first time to do this, to pick up an item. So I'm gonna show you guys how this will go. Samahan nyo ako. Hindi lang din guys yung may mga pick up points. So ilalagay ko na lang din sa descriptions or later on the video kung saan pa yung mga places na meron yung Lazada. So come on guys, huwag na natin itong patagalin. Samahan niyo ako. Let's get ready and I'm gonna go to Mega Mall. Bye! Okay, so here it is. Ready for pick up here at SM Store. So we're gonna find it somewhere there lang. From here, you go to the baggage counter here. And baggage counter din to ate, diba? Tapos pick up point. Okay, let's here to pick it up. So, sabi ni ate, the package will just stay here for like 5 days, and on the 6th day, if hindi mo po makuha, Lazada will pick it up. And anytime naman yun ate, basta mall hours, diba?
Apo, ma'am.
Yes, okay. It's gonna give them the tracking number. Excited. Dito na lang may ganito, ate.
Ma'am, ano yung parcel?
Tas Mendalda. Ay, ang laki. Ang laki. Walang pa ano dyan. Walang ano. Sige. Deserve muna. I got it! Alright. Okay. After that, you're gonna fill it up and sign na lang. I finally got my package and it's so big. Buti na lang, binigyan ako ni ate ng tali. Pero magaan lang naman siya. Ayan! So, very easy. And now, I'm gonna do my errand day. Sequel of Style A for Aunties. So, let's see if this one is as good as the first book here at Fully Booked. Yes! Errand day! Walang toast bag. Buti may dala ako. Thank you, ate. Doing groceries. And konti lang yung nasa list ko. Pero, let's see kung ano pang makita natin. Yes. Take out. I'm gonna have binalot lang. I'm done with my groceries. I'm gonna go home to unbox the package. And if you want me to do a video about the unboxing kung ano man yung binili ko, let me know on the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.